Hello children, in this video we will discuss some application type questions based on decimal fractions. We have studied addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal numbers. We will do some questions based on these operations. Okay, so all of you take your textbook, page number 98, exercise 6.5, question number 2. Write this question. Shilpa bought a dress material for rupees 350.75 for herself and a dress material for rupees 460.75 for her brother and a toy for her sister for rupees 55.90. How much did she spend in total? How can we find this answer? We can add these amounts together and we will get the money, how much she spent. Okay, so write this question. In your notebook, you should write the statements like this. After writing the question, answer. Cost of dress material for Shilpa. How much was that? Rupees 350.75. Next, cost of dress material for her brother, that is rupees 460.75. Next one, cost of the toy. What was the cost of the toy? 55.90. So these are the expense she made. Now we have to find the total amount she spent for buying these all things, right? So what we need to do? We should add these all numbers. Okay, so we can add 350.75, then 460.75, then 55.90. Add that. 5 plus 5, 10, carry over 1, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 7, 24. 2 balance. Now 7, 16, 8. So total amount she spent is rupees 867.40. That is rupees 867 and 40 paisa. Please write this in your notebook. Now we can write question number C. Priya and Sonal got 99.75 and 90.90 marks respectively in their English test. Who got less mark and by how much? So respectively means first one is Priya. Priya got 99.75 marks. Sonal got 90.90 marks. Who got less mark here? Here Sonal got 90.90. And we have to find how much less. How will we find? We will subtract these marks. Okay, so write the statements. So we can write marks of Priya in English subject 99.75, marks of Sonal in English subject, that is 90.90. Sonal got less mark, that is the first answer. They were asking who got less mark. Who got less mark? 90.90 is the less number, that is Sonal's mark. Okay, Sonal got less mark. How much less? We have to subtract that. Okay, so 5 minus 0, 5, not 0. Okay, then 7 minus 9, not possible, so borrow. 17 minus 9. So you will get 8. Now decimal. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. How much less? 8.85 marks less. Did you understand, children? So like this we can solve question number C. Next question you can write question number K. The cost of a school bag is rupees 324.15 and that of a geometry box is rupees 88.45. What will be the cost of 5 school bags and 12 geometry box? Okay, so they have given cost of 1 school bag and cost of 1 geometry box. How can we find the cost of 5 school bags and 12 geometry box? We have to multiply that, right? So write this question. Here we can write the statements as cost of 1 school bag equal to 324.15 rupees. We have to find cost of 5 school bag. How will we find? We will multiply with the 5. Okay, so here you can see 5 is a whole number, 324.15 is a decimal number. How will we multiply? We will multiply without decimal number and we put the decimal in the end, right? So multiply 5 into 5, 25, 2 balance, 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 4s are 20, 2 balance, 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12, 1 balance, 15 plus 1, 16. Now we got the value as 162075. In the question you can see decimal point after there is 2 number. So we have to count from here 1, 2 and put the decimal point. So the answer is rupees 1620.75. Same way we can do about geometry box also. Cost of 1 geometry box is 88.45. Cost of 12 geometry box we should multiply. So 8845 multiply with 12. 2 5s are 10. Here 8 plus 1 9, 16, 17. Next leave one place and multiply 5, 4, 8, 8. Now we can add 11, 16, 10. We got the number as 106140. Now check the cost of geometry box. Here after decimal 2 places. So from here put the decimal 1, 2. So the cost of 12 geometry box is rupees 1061.40. Now answer is not completed. We should add this amount and this amount. Then only we will get total cost. So we can write total cost is equal to 1620.75 plus 1061.40. Add that 5, 7 plus 4, 11. Here decimal, 1 carry over, 2, 8, 6, 2. We have to pay 2682.15. Did you understand, children? How can we calculate the total money? Okay, now we can do the question number. Question number O. Rahul divides rupees 78.6 among his 12 friends equally. How much did each friend receive? Okay, so Rahul is going to divide rupees 78.6 with 12 friends. He is dividing equal amount to each one. Okay, so how much will each get? So we can write the statements as money with Rahul equal to rupees 78.6. How many friends are there? 12 friends are there. Now, how much each will get? Okay, so we have to divide the total amount with 12 since he is dividing equally. Okay, so decimal number we are going to divide with the whole number. So, here when you divide 78.6 with 12, first you should consider 78. Okay, so when you multiply 12 into 5, you can see it is 60. When you multiply 12 into 6, 72. So we can take 6 times. 6 into 12, 72. Then subtract 8 minus 2, 6. 7 minus 7, 0. Next we have decimal point. Put the decimal point here. Then next number is 6. So 66 you will get. In 66, how many 12s are there? 5 12s are there. 5 into 12, 60. So I can write 5 here. Again, when you subtract 5 into 12, 60. Remainder 6. Next, we don't have any number, so put 0 there. 5 into 12, 60. So, answer is rupees 6.55. So, Rahul divides 6 rupees and 55 paisa to each friends. Okay, so we can write that rupees 6.55. Children, please do question number H also as homework. If the total cost of 9 erasers is rupees 8.73, what is the cost of 1 eraser? Okay,